that Canva is not just an app that you can use to design cute templates, but you can still use Canva to design templates that you can go ahead and sell as digital products in this year 2026. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 10 Canva digital products that you can make right now, and they are selling really well. So follow me up to the end, because the last product is the easiest and it makes more money. This product are social media templates. If you're a person who is always on social media, you are seeing people on Instagram, they are posting every day, TikTok, Pinterest, and everywhere. But to many of them, it's difficult to put in the work to be creating each template, to get the information to put there, and to design it so that it can look good to the people out there. So this is where you come in. You can create these social media templates. You can create maybe for Instagram, for Pinterest, and a good thing, you can create them according to bundles, and you'll be selling according to your bundle. If your bundle has many templates, then you are going to be getting more money from that bundle. So if your bundle has few templates, still you also be getting a fewer money according to the bundle. So it depends on the bundle you are going to create, and you can create for different social media platforms. Product number 2, they are kids activity pages, or you can create coloring pages. And there are still parents out there who don't have the time to go maybe to chat GPT or any other platform to create these things by themselves. They are busy, they are moms, they have to work, they have to take care of the house, and this is where you come in. You can create activity pages, maybe for math, for English, for different lessons, maybe for early learners, children who are starting out to learn. And you can also go ahead, create coloring pages, matching pages. So it will depend on you which one you are going to choose. You can also create things like show charts, reward charts, and so many much more things, because some parents don't want their children to be glued to the screen all the time. So they want them to have some off screen time, and they can be giving them these activity pages to keep them busy. So if you create these ones, they are really doing well, and it's an evergreen product because people are still giving birth, and always children will be there. So this your product that you create is going to sell and sell forever. Is AI prompt packs, and nowadays, since AI is everywhere, every day they are releasing a new type of AI. So this is where you come in. It's hard for people to keep up with all of these AI, so they can't learn how they can prompt each AI. Today you are learning about ChatGPT, then tomorrow you are learning about Gemini. And what the most problem that people are facing creating prompts, because AI, remember, it's not a human being. If you don't put in the right prompt, it will not give you the results that you want. So this is where you come in. If you create these prompt packs, it helps people to simplify their work. They will just go copy that prompt and put in the AI, and the AI will go ahead to give them the results that they want. In that way, you are solving a problem. All these products that I am mentioning, and I am yet to mention, if you don't provide value, nobody is going to buy your products. The most important thing is providing value. That's why you created the product in the first place, to provide value that is going to help a person solve their problem they are going through right now. Product number 4, these are mini apps. Yes, I'm not talking about those other big apps that need a lot of tech, a lot of so many coding. But nowadays, with the use of AI, you can create an app that can be interactive and useful to a person. So nowadays, people want to have that feeling and that experience where they have a mini app that can help them go through whatever. Maybe if it's a self-care app, or if it's a self-care, or is it a self-care planner, and you can turn it in an app using AIs like Cloud AI, Lovable, Canva, and so many other AIs out there. So those mini apps are really working well, because it really helps people to stay engaged. 5, and these are printable planners. Yes, you might say nowadays we are in the digital era, this and this is happening, but nowadays still there are people who still want to write things down. Not everybody wants to put their things maybe on a tablet or a phone or a laptop, because sometimes in the morning when people wake up, they want to take out their planner, read or journal out something before they go into their phones, and they'll be getting a lot of notifications, a lot of emails here. So for some people, it's better for them that they get a journal where they can wake up in the morning, journal out things they want, or where they can plan and have things on a paper. To some people, it helps them feel good and it helps them to feel disciplined. So those planners are still working, and why I'm saying they are still working, people are still creating planners and selling them on Amazon KDP. Yes, so you can go ahead and create those printable planners too. Number 6, these are resume templates. Resume templates are really working well because still people are looking for jobs. There are people out there who are applying for jobs. Some of them, they don't know what to put in their resume, or they don't know how to write a good one that can get them buyers, or even they don't know how to design a clean template. So you can go ahead and design these ones and be selling them to those people who want to get hired, who are looking for jobs. Yes, or you can sell them as a PR digital product. You can sell it to other creators like you who want an already done digital product that they can go ahead to just edit small and go ahead and sell it. Mini courses. Yes, nowadays people have a low attention span, so it's not like before where you can create a 2-hour course, a 4-hour course, but nowadays people want something short, but as long as it's providing value and it's adding some knowledge or some wisdom to them. So if you create mini courses, you can be selling them to people. Yes, or if you already have a community, you can sell them to your community, or you can sell them to people who want to buy them. And it doesn't stop there. In those mini courses, you can also add materials that are created from Canva, like you can add maybe workbooks, ebooks that you can also sell along with your course. Yes, and you can also design that course through Canva. These are ebooks and guides. Yes, people want something that is going to guide them. It's like somebody holding your hand and walking you through something that they are going through, but they have never been through it. Yes, for example, if somebody is a mom, they don't know what they to do, maybe to breastfeed their children so that they can be filled up. So if you can write a guide about that, maybe you're a mom, you have been through that, and you write a guide about that, you'll be helping a new mom who hasn't been through this experience, but you are simplifying it for them. You are breaking it down into a simple ebook or guide to help them solve their problem. 9, these are lead magnets, or you can call them email templates. Yes, nowadays everybody who wants to grow in business, they must have an email list. And in order your emails to convert, you need to have a good lead magnet. And if your lead magnet is not good, people might click on it, but they will not end up signing up to your program or to whatever you want them to sign up. So if a person has a good lead magnet, that's a good high chance for them, because it can turn people into buyers who are not even going to buy, but because they are seeing your lead magnet is clean and cute. So you can also go ahead and design these ones, and these ones sell like hot cake, because everybody who wants to grow in their business, they are creating an email list so that they can have their own audience and they don't lie on social media platforms. Yes. But 10 are printable wall art. Yes, printable wall art, these are art designs. Also, you can design in Canva, and if a person wants, they can go ahead and print them out themselves, or you can use print on demand services like Printfy or any other to help you create a physical product for those people who want. Yes, but you can create all the designs to the printable wall art in Canva, and it's simple and easy. And remember, all the products that I have mentioned here, you can create them in Canva. You can create everything and download it from Canva. And one last tip, nowadays you can even sell your digital product directly in Canva, as long as you have a PayPal account and you link it there. so you can still sell your product directly from Canva without going through the struggle of creating a shop on another platform. You can still use Canva for all of that. So all the products that I mentioned, you can create them in Canva, and you can go ahead to put in the comment section below which products are you going to create.